Welcome students, good morning. Welcome to our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today we discuss about the topic related to class 5, 6 and 7. And today my topic is quantifiers. First of all, discuss with it definition. Quantifiers are the words which is used before the nouns to indicate the quantity or amount. First of all, write the definition. Quantifiers are the words which are used before the nouns to indicate the amount or quantity. Just like example, for example, just like much, many, a few, a little, a lot of, some, every, each, etc. These all are the examples of quantifiers, and we use quantifiers in both before countable noun also and uncountable noun also. They are used before both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's discuss its example in detail. Usage of quantifiers in a sentence. First one is, let's come to first, many. Many is also a quantifier. Many refers to the noun having the large quantity. It refers to the nouns having large quantity or number. Another one is, it is used before plural countable noun. It is used before plural countable noun. For example, just like many books. In this, many is a quantifier and books is plural countable noun. Another example is just like many copies. In this, many is quantifier and copy is plural countable noun. Now comes to sentence. It is used, means many is generally used before, means it is used mainly in the negative and interrogative sentences. Just like example, it is usually used in negative and interrogative sentences. Just like for example, there is no space where an example below. Just like I do not eat many mangoes. In this sentence, do not refers to negative point, and in this we use many. In this way comes to much. Much also refers to the noun having the large quantity or number. It also refers to the noun having large quantity or number. Second one is, it is used before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means the noun that we cannot count. For example, just like much bread. In this, much is quantifier and bread is uncountable noun. Another example is just like much milk. In this, much is quantifier and milk is uncountable noun. And let's come to sentence. It is usually used means it is also usually used in the negative and interrogative sentence. Here I do not write the example of the interrogative sentence, just like do you eat many mangoes? For example, in interrogative sentence, just like much, it is usually used in negative and interrogative sentences. Just like example, for example, I do not eat much rice. Here much is quantifier and rice is uncountable noun. Before uncountable noun, and it refers to negative sentence. Another in interrogative, do you eat much rice? It is in interrogative sentence. It means much and many both are usually used in negative and interrogative sentence. Now comes to another, that is a few. Means a few refers to the noun having small quantity. It refers to the noun having small quantity or number. Another one is, it is used before plural countable noun. It is used before plural countable noun. For example, but in less in number. For example, just like a few books, a few copies, Another one is, it is also used, means a few. Now comes to a liter. A liter. It refers to the noun having a small quantity or number. It refers to the nouns having small quantity or number, but it is generally used before uncountable. It is used in uncountable noun, before uncountable. Just like it is used before uncountable nouns. For example, just like a little water. Another example, a little milk, etc. Now comes to another quantifier, that is a lot of. A lot of. A lot of refers to a noun having large quantity. It refers to the noun having large quantity, and it is used before both countable noun also and uncountable noun also. It is used before both countable and uncountable noun. For example, just like a lot of books. It is countable noun. It is in plural form. Countable noun means plural countable noun. Another is a lot of bread. Here bread is uncountable noun. And for sentence, it is used before both negative sentence also and interrogative sentence also. It is used in both positive. It is used in all, in positive, negative and interrogative sentence. For example, just like example, I eat a lot of bread. It is in positive. It is a positive sentence. Another is, I do not eat a lot of mangoes. It is in negative sentence. So this much is for quantifier. So in the next class I will discuss about another topic.